Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Anyway guys, today I have a feast. I'm trying these yummy fries from Wingstop. I've been going to try. And I got food over there. Basically, I'm doing 2 eating shows. So, this is the first one with just fries I got from Wingstop. Yeah. And I got my drinks over there, so let's get into it. I've been wanting to try these fries because Wingstop, they have some fries, guys. They do. Oh my god, look at this cheese fries. Oh my god, yes. Oh my god. God, that's so good. Man, I need a silverware. Is this cheese one? I think it's this. Okay, let's see. This one is. Yeah, this is cheese. I think that's ranch. Vegan fries. Oh my god. Yes. This is definitely the ranch ones. Okay. Let me go get me silverware. Yeah. Here, eat all these. So, guys, I applied for a telemarketer job. They didn't end up giving me the position. They texted me, which I'm so bummed about because I would have been good at it. Let me do my thumbnail, and I'll be back. Okay, so thumbnail. Alright, well guys, I did the thumbnail. I'm trying to position my camera, be a professional mukbanger. I think these are the ranch ones. How's everybody doing today? I'm doing okay. Oh my gosh. Don't worry, I didn't just get fries, I got pizza and wings too. Yeah, these are definitely ranch fries. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Still haven't gotten my test results yet, guys. Today I'm probably going to go do some testing to get all my hourly after 20 minutes. So I can start my new job. Okay. Try the ranch. These are, I think these are buffalo fries. Oh my gosh. Holy crap. Damn. Oh my goodness. This shit's good. This is like every Mexican's dream. Buffalo fries, wow. Oh man. Okay, so if you like spicy food, like I do, I recommend the buffalo fries. Oh my god, the name of those fries are so good, they're spicy. Ooh, I'm gonna try cheese fries. This is how they look, guys. So cheesy. Oh yeah, this is how the buffalo fries look. Show you. So good. Oh my god. It's so good. Wow, this is like damn, that's good. What? Well, I swear I'm probably gonna finish off the ranch ones. Yeah, I need a drink, y'all. You taking a nap, Bonnet? Is Wayne taking a nap? Is little Wayne taking a nap? Little Wayne. James, aka James.
No.
All right, well, so cheese fries are good. The ranch fries are delicious. Honestly, if I had to pick a favorite, I'm tired. I'd probably say the ranch ones. I mean the buffalo ones. Mm. Mm. Man, these are so good. Mm-mm-mm. Hey, Bonnet, when are you and Wayne gonna watch my movie 365? This mobster guy kidnaps his woman, makes him fall in love with her. Yeah, very interesting. 365. But I don't know if y'all can handle it though. I was like, oh my goodness. If y'all like 50 Shades of Grey, y'all like it. I like 50 Shades. So I was like, ooh. All right, well, guys, this is like a short eating show because I have more food to eat. So, anyway, guys, anyway, love you guys. Peace.